Have you ever wondered why customers keep coming back time and time again, even go as far as referring their friends and family? Or have you taken the time to sit down and think about the reason why successful businesses are different from the rest? Look no further, my friend, because the answer lies in the art of building strong customer relationships. If you're watching this video, you're probably aware of the importance of customer relationship in your business. But wait a minute, let me ask you this. Have you ever taken the time to think about why your customers still loyal to your brand, even in the face of fierce competition? Is it the quality of your product and services or your marketing and brand efforts? While all of these factors play a role, there's one crucial element that is often overlooked, and that is the strength of your customer relationship. You see, in today's fast-paced and constantly evolving market, customers are no longer looking for just transactions, they are looking for more than that. They want to feel valued, heard and understood, and guess what? The business that can actually deliver on these expectations are the ones that can thrive. So tell me, how can you build this lasting connection with your customer? And how can you turn one-time buyer, just one-time buyer, into a loyal advocate of your brand? That's where these 19 golden rules come in. So in this video, we'll be exploring some of the most effective and time-tested strategies of building a strong customer relationship. From listening to your customers to providing excellent services, personalizing your interaction and continuously improving your business, I've got you covered. So take a pen and a paper and be ready to jot down whatever I'm saying right in this session. And after the session, if you have any question, ensure you drop it right in the comment section below. I'll definitely be there to respond to you. Without wasting much of our time, let's build a customer relationship together. First thing on our list is to always listen to your customer. One of the most important things that you can actually do to build a strong customer relationship is to always listen to your customer. You've got to pay close attention to their needs, concerns, and feedback, and use this information to build your business. Second is regular communication. Regular communication is essential to building a strong customer relationship. Keep your customers informed about your products, services, updates, and even if you have any changes in your business. And don't forget to send out well-wishing messages to them during holidays, festive period, and even during their birthdays. Number 3 is honesty and transparency. These are very essential in building trust with your customers. Be upfront about your pricing, policy, and any other issue that may arrive. Ensure that your customer understands just everything about the business. Our fourth golden rule is to provide excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service is essential for any kind of business at all. Make sure your team is trained to provide excellent and friendly service to any kind of customer that come your way, whether the customer is dressing well or not. Most people usually look down on customers when the customers step into their office or shop, and this kind of thing can be disgusting sometimes, because that customer that you just look out on might be someone that's ready to help your business, and you just don't have to overlook any kind of person at all. So try your best to be friendly and also train your team to be friendly with customers. Number 5 is to always show appreciation. Show your customers that you really appreciate their business. Make them to understand that they are one of the building blocks of your company. Next on, you need to be accessible. Make it easy for your customers to reach you. This can be as simple as saying thank you so much, thank you for your patronage, or offering them discounts or special promotion. Provide multiple ways for your customers to contact you. This can be through phone call, email, WhatsApp, social media, or any other kind of means at all. Ensure that your business is always everywhere so that it can be very convenient for the customers to contact you. Open all the channels and let the sales come in. 7th on our list is to personalize your interaction with your customer whenever possible. Use their names, remember their preferences, and make them feel valued. You can even go as far as whenever you need to send them email, always input like "Dear Mr. Solomon," "Dear Mr. Wilson." And even if you want to send them happy birthday message, make it to be personalized in such a way that they will feel valued and they will know that someone is somewhere that actually care about them. Number 8, be responsive. Always respond to customers' inquiries and concerns in a timely manner. Waste no time in responding to their need. I personally, whenever I have issue with any product or service I'm using and I call the customer care or I message them on WhatsApp or anywhere, If it takes them more than 2 minutes to respond to me, I feel so bad. I feel like I'm not being valued and whatever I'm going through doesn't concern them. This will show your customers that you care about their needs and are committed to providing lasting solutions. Moving on, build a community around your business by engaging your customers on social media and hosting an event or promotion. This can help to foster a sense of loyalty and connection among your customers. Number 10, provide values. Make sure that your product and services provide real-time value. No one, I repeat, no one will ever be happy to see that whatever they purchase from you doesn't serve its value. This can go as far as shattering any form of building trust and loyalty. Before we move on, if you have come this far and you have not subscribed to this channel or give this video a thumbs up and you are still here thinking you can do it later, please and please try doing it right now, because later can become never. So let's move on to our 11th proven rule, which is to always keep your promises. If you make any kind of promise to your customer, please ensure you keep to it. This will portray you and your business as being reliable and honest. 12th on the list is to learn from your mistake. If you make any mistake, own up to it and learn from it. This will help improve your business and build a stronger customer relationship. Number 13, be proactive. Anticipate your customers' need and be active towards them. This will show your customers that you care about their need and are committed to providing excellent services to them. Next thing you need to do right now is to start building rapport. Take the time to build rapport with your customers. This can be as simple as asking them about their day or sharing some personal stories with them. 15th on our list is to always offer solution. If your customer have a problem, be swift to always be ready to help by offering a direct solution, or you can also refer them to a solution. Even if you wouldn't gain anything in return, this will show them that you are ready to help and you are committed to always go the extra mile for them. This takes us to the next on our list, which is being consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building strong customer relationships. Make sure that your products, services, and of course customer services are consistent across all channels. Number 17, be adaptable. Be ready to adapt to any of your customers' changes in needs and preferences. This will help you to stay relevant and consistent over time. This just leads us to the 18th rule, which is for you to always follow up with customers after any interaction or purchase to ensure their satisfaction. This will show that you care about their experience and are committed to providing great services. Now, the big rule that will keep you flowing above your competitors is continuous improvement. Ask questions, create a survey, and see how you can serve your customers better. Don't be satisfied. That 1% that is left out, ensure you work it out. Ensure you work on it, because that 1% alone can build down your business or bring you below your competitors. So when you see any glitch or any error in whatever you are offering, work towards it. Dedicate time towards it and see how your business will thrive above others. Now tell me, who wouldn't like to multiply their sales by creating multiple channels of sales to flow in and getting more customers? If you are ready to learn that, then the video that just popped up next to me will do justice to that. See you at the top.